Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to implement controller input in your game. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is go into your settings, Then you're going to go into your input map, and then when you see this page, let's say you want to make your character go to the left, so you're just basically gonna do left and then press add. You're going to type in left, add new action. Now you're going to do right. Then you're gonna do add, and then later on we're gonna add a small feature, and we're gonna just call it, let's say, print. Okay, so if we just do print, then add. Okay, so when we do left, what we're gonna do is press the plus button here, add event. We're gonna press plus, and then on your controller, what you're gonna do is, you guys can see in the bottom right, you are gonna do like your left joystick to the left. So when you do that, you're gonna see joypad access 0, left stick, and all that. Then you're gonna do OK. Then you're gonna do the same thing with the right. You're gonna do plus, aim your joystick, your left joystick to the right, and then you're gonna press OK. And then for print, let's just say we're gonna do to the X on here. I'm using PlayStation 4 controller. You can do whatever you want. So here, joypad button 0, Sonic Cross, and then as you guys can see, it continues. So we'll do OK. And then we just made an input map. Then now we're going to go to a script, and then we are going to create a process function. So func underscore process. And then here we're going to see if input. So we want to get the input. If input dot is underscore action just pressed. Let's just say left. So here it's saying when we have the left action, it's being pressed right now, what's gonna happen? Let's just say print left. So when we do print left, if we do play, and if we do play for our game, what we're gonna see is if I'm doing my joystick to the left, we will see that it is working. So what we want to do is make our player go to the left. So what we're going to do, first of all, call a new variable. We're going to call this variable speed. Then we're going to make speed equal to 400. And then here what we're going to do is make the player dot position minus equal to 400, speed times, where's times delta. So times delta, if you guys don't know what it is, it just basically makes all frame rates go the same. So here you may be asking, okay, so the position is going to do minus equal speed. But here, if we do play it, for example, we are going to get an error. What is going to be that error? That we have to get the vector 2. Because here it doesn't know if it should do the y or the x. So here we're going to do the horizontal axis, so it's going to be dot x. So if we play again, we will see that if I'm holding it, it will go to the left like it should. So now we're going to do the same thing with the right. And here we are just going to do right. Same thing, but this time instead of minus, it's going to be plus. And then lastly, you guys remember the print thing that I did, the print input. So what we're going to do, it's same thing. If that, and then print here, we're just going to do print. This time, if is action underscore press, that means if you're holding it even, so if I'm holding the X button, it will keep on doing it. So what I want to do is, even if I'm holding it, it will do the action in here, it will only do it once. So you're going to have to press it multiple times for it to do. So instead of is action underscore pressed, we are going to do, we're going to do just. So there we go, and it's going to be like this. So do this. So is action just pressed? Because in everything else, I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So here we are going to do print press. So there we go. Now if we do play, as you can see, we'll be able to go to left and right. There we go. And then if I press X, it will say press in over here, pressed. But then I'll show you guys what I mean. If I'm holding the X now, nothing, like it's not printing it, because here I did just pressed. Then if let's say I just take this out here, and I do play, let's say I'm holding press now, it will just print it forever. So let's say you want to do jumping, what you're going to do is just press, because you only want to do it once. So yeah, and then if I try to press it once, it will do it multiple times. Yeah, that's just basically the basics of putting in the input of your controller into your game. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.